Hun.
Hey guys, what's up? This is the coughing blood prank. Help me! Help!
Hả? Đâu? Wow, just running away. Oh, don't care about him. No.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Also, a huge thanks to the Wicca one. Check him out. We did a social experiment, homeless social experiment on his channel. So click his face right there, and you guys can go watch that. Subscribe to him, and he's an amazing guy. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next week. Peace.